Peace lilies can bloom beautifully indoors, but in most apartments, they slowly stop flowering. A few things matter most if you want a peace lily to bloom inside: light, pot size, and how you water it. If one is off, the flowers usually disappear first. Let's start with light. They need steady indirect light, usually about a meter back from a bright window. Not deep in the room, not pressed against the glass. In the wild, they grow under tree cover, bright but filtered and consistent. If the light drops, blooms stop first. And depending on how deep your room is, that placement can shift slightly. Next is pot size. Peace lilies bloom better when they're slightly root-bound. If the pot is too big, they put energy into roots instead of flowers, so don't rush to upgrade the pot. But even in the right pot, the way you water decides what happens next. Watering. Not constantly wet, not bone dry. Let the top layer dry slightly, then water thoroughly. They like a steady cycle. That rhythm can shift a little through the year, especially in apartments. Too much water slows growth, too little leads to drooping. The pattern matters more than the exact schedule. When light, pot size, and watering line up, peace lilies bloom for months. That's when they look full, glossy, and alive, not just surviving. Most apartments quietly push one of those out of alignment, not dramatically, just enough. And blooms are the first thing to disappear. You can't fix that with fertilizer alone. It only works when light, pot size, and watering rhythm are aligned indoors. If you want the exact apartment setup that keeps peace lilies blooming indoors, it's on Small Space Sprouts. The complete indoor setup guide is linked below.